Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So if it's your first time, my name is Amina. So in today's video, guys, it's just few days in my life, just trying to push this content. Yeah, I have not been feeling well, so I was like, okay, we'll just mix up whatever that I've taken of the videos on my phone, which I've got a lot of unedited content on my phone. Anyway, this was just in the morning. Opened my curtains and I was about to go prepare for my kids lunch. Yeah. So my Monstera plants, they've been growing like this since the beginning. Like they're just already, I must double them, like meaning I must cut them and maybe propagate them. But yeah, I think I have enough plants in the house at the moment that sometimes I even forget to water them. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe not. I don't know. What do you guys do with your Monstera plants? So this is my son's lunch. I send whatever really. It's just one of the stressful things to send for a toddler lunch because you don't know what they like yet. You're still experimenting, but for now, he's into macaroni, like macaroni and some meatballs. That's what he likes. So that's what I was sending. Surprisingly, also, he does eat anything that I send, but in the house, he doesn't. Maybe because when he's there by the school, there's other kids eating, so it's easy for him to eat. Here in the house, I have to like nag him to eat, bribe him, do a lot of things for him to eat, which is, you know what, I don't know how long I must keep up with that because I'm so tired. I think he's old. He needs to eat by himself. So there's a laundry, guys. I folded, put back everything that needed to go back to the chest of drawer, my son's things. And yeah, this is my humidifier, which is very good for my skin, especially if I use it nighttime. When I wake up in the morning, my skin is like, like full of life. Yeah, so here on this day was actually Juma, guys. I tried to make to actually film this for my Instagram, but time was not on my side. What I should have done here is to clean the fish the previous day, and then the following day I can just carry on to marinate the fish and do the most. But yeah, time was just not on my side. Yeah, so I couldn't finish, hence I'm just showing you guys hints of what I did. Yeah, the fish was close to nice because I was supposed to have put it in my oven and we had load shedding. No, we didn't have load shedding. My gas got finished and my oven, somehow the electric oven decided not to work on the topper part, which is the grilling side. Yeah, anyway, was on my birthday, guys. I had another friend took me for breakfast. I actually went for makeup first, which is I was not happy with the makeup that I went for, but anyway, it's okay. The lady, she's good with skin treatments, but applying makeup, especially for black people, I can't talk for other races, or maybe especially for a darker person, let me just say that. Yeah, and then my friend here, she invited me for lunch. How sweet of her. Like keep friends like I keep, guys. At my circle is very small, but the people that are in my circle, like the smaller Nyana people that are there in my circle, I really think they really do love me. They really do show love. So I appreciate her a lot. Thank you so much. And the other lady, which is Mom Anissa, she's like my mother in Islam. She's old enough to be my mother. She took me for breakfast at Mag and Bean, and later on came home. We cut a cake, got some few presents, and I've already been getting presents. Some of them I bought it for myself, and some of them I've been getting present before my birthday. Because I believe like September, like before 17, like I believe I should be spoiled. Okay, after 17, no, I'm okay. Like I feel like September is finished after 17. Yeah, guys, anyway, Alhamdulillah, I thank God for me reaching this year, which is 38 years old. A lot of people didn't see this age, so like really, and I'm not even ashamed to say I am 38 years old. Like, you know, I'm 38 years young actually. Yeah, anyway guys, this is where my video ends, and then we got more gifts later on from Pakistan. You guys will see on the next video. Bye bye. What is this? To make your hair black? Yes, for Papa. Yes, for Papa.